Hey Jordan, I need some help with an Excel sheet. I'm trying to make sure that people only enter dates in a specific column. Is there a way to set that up?
Definitely. You can use data validation to control what can be entered in a cell. For dates, you can set it so only valid dates are allowed. Want me to walk you through it?
Yes, please. I've never done this before.
No problem. First, select the column or cells where you want it applied. Go to the Data tab and click on Data Validation.
Got it. What's next?
In the Data Validation dialog box, under Settings tab, is a drop-down labeled Allow. Choose Date from the list.
Okay, I see that. What do I do now?
You can set the criteria for acceptable dates, specify a start and end date, or just allow any date in general. For future dates, choose greater than or equal to, and set today's date.
That's really useful. But what happens if someone enters something that isn't a date?
If they enter something invalid, Excel will show an error message. You can even customize this message under the Error Alert tab to make it more user-friendly.
This is exactly what I needed. Thanks.
Anytime, cutie. Excel's data validation is a great way to ensure your data stays clean. Register now for a class to understand better.
Data validation in Excel refers to setting specific criteria for accepting data in a cell or range of cells. This prevents users from entering invalid data that could lead to errors in calculations or reports.